$2,000 cash, U-Haul truck in the middle of nowhere. What's up, guys? Z628 here. Welcome to a new episode of something. It's not a new episode. A new thing, a new project car. My personal project car. As you saw on the road, pretty rough ride with the rain, but luckily it's clear out here. We are in Fruitland, Idaho, on a random road. Got the U-Haul car trailer. Got a 7-cylinder Dodge Ram 1500. I gotta fix that. And we're about 2-3 minutes away from their house. I got here a little bit early. Told me to be here after 4. It is 3:55 currently. And I did see it in the parking lot, so I'm not gonna die. It is legit. I did see the car though. I'm very excited. It's very exciting. I'm excited and nervous for this car because you saw $1,000. What can you get for $1,000 US in 2025? Because you can't buy shit for $1,000 these days. So obviously it doesn't run because hence the trailer. But it might run, but not good because there's a big issue with it. But I'm still excited. It's gonna be a good project. And we will see what happens. I'm gonna head on that way. I'm not gonna record this because I'm not gonna record people's private lives, private property. Put in the comments down below what you guys think it is, because you're not gonna see it for a while in this video. I'm gonna hold it until I don't know how far in, but comment down below to tell me what you think it is for $1,000 US. And we're like in very rural area, so what would that car be? Comment down below. I gotta get this money now. Not a real Gucci wallet. It's a fake one from Bosnia for $16 US. So it's not real. Let's go. My asshole is so clenched right now, guys. Holy shit. That was very close. All right, it's the next day. We did make it home. I didn't get scammed. I didn't get beat up. Everything is good on that level. But what did I get for $1,000 US for a project car? These are the keys. This is the sound it makes. If you look at the key, there's no actual key that goes into the car, so it's not something super old. It's still relatively newer. This is the sound of the door closing or opening. Pretty hefty. There's a spider crawling on it. I'm going to show you guys that little spider right there. Have you guys guessed what it is yet? It's a Toyota Prius. Oh, no, it's not. This is the new project car. A 2009 Mini Cooper S for shitty. $1,000 US. You got the bumper too. Don't you worry. It's in really nice cosmetic condition. Looks really clean. Everything is nice. Obviously the fenders are off because the guy was working on it before, but sorry I can't show you all the way around, but this is it. Must be a destroyed inside, right? Nope. Super clean on the outside and the inside. And most importantly, manual. There were so many Mini Coopers that were like automatic or not S's and way more money. This thing, sight unseen, bought it just from pictures on Facebook, but I know there's major issues. One is windshield's cracked. So this right here is gonna tell the story. As you see, it is dusty. So the story of this car is it's been sitting for 2 years, nothing touched. He has a bag over the intakes and stuff, which is good because obviously this would have been bad going into the system. He wanted to make his own custom. So like he built this, and then he was just gonna have a intake on there, and then just get like an aluminum tube made, and then it would have been like a custom cold air intake for cheap. But that's not the main issue. It has potential head gasket issues, which can be even more problems with other stuff. Warped head, bent valves, whatever, if it was ran bad. But yeah, 1.6 liter turbocharged, about 140,000 miles. So the potential project on this thing to get it going / upgrade parts while I'm in there is obviously the head gasket, potential cylinder head de-warping or whatever, shaving off to make it straight. We'll just have to see how that goes. I would want to get some SuperTech valve springs because right now they're like super cheap through ECS, so I think it would be kind of a nice thing to do while I'm in there. A timing chain like set, so just getting the timing chain, just a new one, just for safety measures and longevity or whatever, because I don't know what condition it's going to be in. That's like a big issue with this vehicle. While I'm in there, check out some tubing, any kind of hoses I can get to. I would want to replace just for future proofing any leaks or anything, you know, old cracked hoses. ARP studs, just for new studs to keep it clamped down better. You know, just that alone, just those things there is like $700 to $800, and that's like not even getting into anything performance oriented. So it's pretty pricey. You know, the ARP head studs are like $200 something. The valve springs are 180 currently. They're normally like 270, I think. The head gasket is about like $90-ish from Cometic to get like an actual good performance one. The timing, you know, chain set, whatever, is about $200 and something. So it's pretty pricey, you know, before we even get into modifications. Just to future-proof it, hopefully there's not a lot of bottom end issues, and not a lot of like having to replace the cylinder head. You know, we don't know how the story is, so, you know, plus tubing, all that kind of stuff. That's like what I want to do maintenance wise, obviously oil and all that stuff, just to kind of future proof it. For performance / maintenance, I would want to do new like upgraded ignition coils and spark plugs, a little bit colder spark plugs, which isn't too bad together. It's like $100-ish, so that's kind of like, it's performance but maintenance. But then performance wise, just to really keep it simple, it's like, unfortunately I won't be able to do like a lot of suspension stuff. I won't be able to really do any suspension stuff. But what I would want to do engine performance wise, the main things would be a downpipe. I would want to do a catch can, just again for that maintenance, just to kind of have the valves cleaner. Downpipe, oil catch can, intercooler, intake, and then a tune. And that stuff alone, because the tune's like $500, is quite a bit. So that right there, all the stuff that I just listed, will put me probably around that total price, $3,000 price range. Makes the car breathe a lot better, stay cooler without heat soaking the intercooler, and a lot of maintenance stuff to, you know, keep it happy. So that's kind of the start of like the beginning things that I'm gonna do to this vehicle, if there's not like major issues. But yeah, that's about it. So that is the plan with this vehicle. But this is months in the making. I'm not going to be working on this thing until the Ford Escape transmission is fixed. Once that's fixed, then I'll start slowly working on this thing. But first thing, we're going to clean that motor bay, so it's not a pain in the ass to get to things. But that is the story with this. So you guys won't see the Mini for quite some time, I don't think. But I just want to update this video because you guys will probably see it in videos of me working on different cars. And then you'll wonder, what is that vehicle doing? But yes, this is my personal project car, for my own personal being. And it's not one to resell, even though I will be selling it next year for another reason. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this episode of the new project car. If you guys like to hit the like button down below. If you have any recommendations, or if you have a Mini R56 and just want to see what I'm going to do, or I want to see what you guys did, let me know, and hit the subscribe button down below and comment down below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful and beautiful day. DSEC2, it's out.